All right, so good afternoon, dear traders. Once you could see, aka Mr. Mayor Forex Trading. Of course, on Facebook, please go join the Facebook page. It's called Forex Hangout. All right, so on this lovely Monday today, the 20th of February 2023, the time now is 3 o'clock. It's South African time, of course. All right, so I did put a pre-order in here because this price action was around here, and I wanted to jump into it, but I said no. I'm gonna put a pre-order in from where I think it's gonna go, and then start going down. And I was absolutely spot on because it picked up my. This is the pound yen. It picked it up right over there on the pre-order that I have there, and it's going in profit now. This is the pound yen. All right, so I did add another. How can I say it? Uh, Entity or another opportunity to my arsenal here. Of course, the US 30. So I went through the stock markets, and I don't do stock markets. I don't trade stock markets, but I will trade like the US 30 or the US 100 or something like that. So I love the US 30. It's very nice. Yeah, it's heavy up and down, but at least it's still following trend, and it's a very respectable or very respected market. All right, so I saw that it pushed into this weekly supply and demand zone, and every time it pushes in there, it gets rejected, gets rejected, gets rejected. So it's in the middle here, but there's also a little support line over here. So if it can break this support and retest the support, I will definitely jump in for a sell opportunity due to the fact that I can see that it should be on its way to the downside. It is a little bit on the upside now, but it just can't break through this. It's either going to break to the upside or it is just going to fall apart here. But once it gets back into this zone, I will definitely put a sell order in. If it comes to this zone, the support, and I see nice long wicks, I'm going to put a buy order in. So it's in the middle at the moment, so I'm going to wait for it to get back down here or back up there, and then I will also jump into the US 30. I have added that to my chart. So let's see. The gold holding strong, but I would just want to see the US, the PMI. It's got a flash PMI. When I did see it, let me just get there quickly. There is a US flash PMI. All right, so this is on Tuesday. This is all tomorrow. So tomorrow is the US flash PMI. So this is now something that you have to look out for. I want to say that because look, with the PMI, if you get a figure, a percentage above 50, a number above 50, it will be good for the currency, for the US dollar, but bad for gold. But if we do see a number below 50, then I might gonna jump into the gold and not hang around for this let's see. Yeah, it's above 50 indicates that industry is expanding. Yeah, this is for your businesses. The level of diffusion index on the survey, purchasing managers. There we go. That's what PMI stands for. I just forgot the name. Purchasing managers in the services industry. That's what PMI stands for. Now, flash PMI is the first PMI that comes out, and then you get the final. But usually the flash PMI usually has got the most impact on the currency. So keep in mind, I don't think I want to be putting in the gold yet. Let me see what the PMI does. I see we've got a couple of euros as well. We've got the PMI for the pound. We've got the CPI for the CAD coming out. So tomorrow is going to be quite a full day of news breaking. So the market is going to be jumping tomorrow. So I'm going to hang on and I'm going to see what's happening. I've got the pound open at the moment. I've got a sell on the pound. So before tomorrow, I will definitely put my stop loss. Let me go down to the pound quickly. I'm simply going to pull it down now. My stop loss, I'm going to pull down in profit at least. 42 cents. Let's make it on the dotted dollar. Let's see. Okay, $1.11. So I've pulled my stop loss down, so I'm in profit. So I am ready for tomorrow. Whatever happens to the market, to the spikes, because I see it's a flash PMI on the pound as well. they expecting a 47.5. So let's see what the pound does tomorrow as well. There's a couple things happening tomorrow, so I don't think I'll be doing too much trading tomorrow, especially on the risk off assets. There's a lot happening on the risk off assets. New Zealand dollar, the Aussie dollar, and you've got uh, it's all the risk off is also going up tomorrow. So I don't want to necessarily dabble tomorrow too much on the trading industry. I think we're going to see some good spikes and some good movement in the markets tomorrow. So this will be my final update for the day. For those of you who are trading, have a good time trading, and I will see you guys, of course, tomorrow. Have a good one.